Balloons are an inexpensive and fun way to entertain the kids with lots of activities and games. In this video, we are giving you 7 different ideas to entertain your kid with balloons. First activity is balloon pop game or balloon burst game. In this game, children have to sit on balloons with all their weight to burst the balloon. Second game is balloon race. In this game, place balloon between their knees or feet and children have to reach to the finish line without dropping or busting their balloon. Third is tunnel walk with balloons. In this, children have to do tunnel walk and same time they need to blow the balloon and reach till finish line. Activity is good for their lungs and it's very good for gross motor skills also. Fourth one is roll with balloon. Children have to roll over with their balloons and reach till finish line without busting the balloon. One is balloon hockey. For this game, use any stick as a hockey stick and let children play indoor hockey. Sixth activity is balloon painting. For balloon painting, you can use any colors or marker and you can tell to your kid to paint the balloon, or you can make different faces on paper and you can tell the kid to copy that faces in the balloon. Seventh one is balloon lifting. In this activity, kids have to lift the balloon through any object. Object can be any light basket or anything. And children have to put the balloon on that basket and lift that basket and reach to finish line. There are so many other ideas too with balloons, like catching the balloon, water balloons for bath time, ice balloons, and many more. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel.